Welcome back to GardenBound. Are you tired of watching plain old birds fly by? Let's change that. Today we're turning our gardens into bird-friendly havens with some super simple, do-it-yourself bird feeders. Imagine waking up to the sweet sound of birds chirping and seeing colorful, feathered friends enjoying your backyard. It's pretty cool, right? We'll show you how to create awesome feeders that will attract all sorts of birds. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Having birds in your garden is highly beneficial for several reasons. Birds act as natural pest controllers, feeding on insects and larvae that can harm your plants. A study published in the journal Ecology found that birds can reduce insect pest populations by up to 70% in agricultural settings, which can translate to significant benefits in a garden environment. Birds also help with pollination, as they move from flower to flower and contribute to seed dispersal, encouraging plant diversity and growth. Additionally, birds bring vibrant life and beauty to your garden, creating a peaceful and dynamic environment. Research published in Landscape and Urban Planning indicates that gardens with higher bird diversity are associated with increased human well-being and mental health benefits. With that said, let's talk about how to attract some more birds to your garden with bird feeders. We're going to start simple with the pinecone bird feeder. For this project, you will need a few basic materials: pine cones, peanut butter, birdseed, and string. Start by gathering these items and ensuring your pine cones are clean and dry. Begin the process by spreading peanut butter over the entire surface of the pine cone. The peanut butter will act as an adhesive for the birdseed. Next, roll the peanut butter covered pine cone in a bowl of birdseed, making sure to coat it thoroughly. The seeds should stick easily to the peanut butter, creating an enticing treat for birds. Once your pinecone is covered in birdseed, it's time to prepare it for hanging. Take a piece of string and tie it securely around the top of the pinecone. Ensure the string is long enough to hang from a branch or a hook in your garden. After securing the string, your pinecone bird feeder is ready to be placed outside. Choose a spot in your garden where birds frequent and hang the feeder at a suitable height to attract them. To enhance the success of your pinecone bird feeder, consider using natural peanut butter, which is free from added sugars and oils. Additionally, incorporating a variety of bird seeds can attract different bird species, making your garden a lively haven for birds. This project is not only easy and quick to make, but also provides a delightful way to support local wildlife. Here is something important to note. Peanut butter is generally safe for birds when used in moderation. It provides a good source of protein and fat, which can be especially beneficial during cold weather, when birds need extra energy. However, it's important to use natural, unsalted peanut butter without added sugars, salt, or artificial additives, as these can be harmful to birds. Additionally, peanut butter should be offered in moderation to prevent health issues like obesity and nutrient imbalance. For smaller birds, peanut butter can be sticky and pose a choking hazard, so mixing it with birdseed, oats, or cornmeal can make it less sticky and safer to consume. While rare, some birds might be allergic to peanuts, so it's wise to observe the birds in your garden for any adverse reactions. In summary, natural, unsalted peanut butter can be a nutritious treat for birds when used carefully and in moderation. For those looking for alternatives to peanut butter in bird feeders, several options are both safe and nutritious for birds. Suet is a popular choice, especially in colder weather, providing high energy and being less sticky than peanut butter. It can be found in blocks, balls, or crumbles and is often mixed with seeds and grains. Sunflower seed butter, rich in fat and protein, is another excellent alternative, as long as it is unsalted and free from added sugars or artificial additives. Lard, like suet, is a high-energy fat that can be used to bind seeds and grains together, making it particularly useful in homemade bird feeder recipes. Vegetable shortening can also be used as a base to mix with birdseed, similar to suet, and choosing non-hydrogenated varieties helps avoid trans fats. Honey, though it should be used sparingly, can be a good binder for seeds, provided it is pure and raw without any added sugars or preservatives. In warmer climates, coconut oil is another viable option, as it solidifies at cooler temperatures and can be mixed with seeds to form a treat. Using these alternatives ensures that the bird feeder project remains safe and nutritious for birds, catering to their dietary needs and preferences. Now, let's use something we all probably have laying around: a plastic bottle. Gather the following materials: a plastic bottle, wooden spoons, scissors, string, and birdseed. Begin by cleaning the plastic bottle thoroughly and removing any labels. Using scissors, carefully make small holes in the sides of the bottle, ensuring they are large enough to fit the handles of the wooden spoons. Insert the wooden spoons through the holes, positioning them so that the spoon heads act as perches for the birds. Once the perches are securely in place, fill the bottle with birdseed. Ensure the seed reaches the areas around the spoon heads, making it easily accessible to the birds. Next, create a hole near the top of the bottle and thread a piece of string through it. Tie the string securely, forming a loop that will allow you to hang the feeder from a branch or hook in your garden. To enhance the effectiveness of your recycled bottle bird feeder, consider using different sizes of bottles to create feeders with varying capacities. Adding more perches can also accommodate more birds at once, making your garden even more inviting. This project is not only functional, but also promotes eco-friendliness by repurposing plastic bottles that would otherwise go to waste. Next up, the charming teacup bird feeder. You'll need a teacup and saucer, strong adhesive, string, and birdseed. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and drying the teacup and saucer. Using a weatherproof adhesive, apply a generous amount to the bottom of the teacup and firmly press it onto the saucer. Allow the adhesive to dry completely according to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure a strong bond. Once the teacup is securely attached to the saucer, it's time to prepare the feeder for hanging. Cut a piece of string to your desired length and tie it around the handle of the teacup. Ensure the knot is tight and secure, allowing the feeder to hang straight and balanced. Now, fill the teacup with birdseed, making sure it is evenly distributed. For the best results, use a weatherproof adhesive to withstand outdoor conditions and place the teacup feeder in a sheltered spot to protect it from rain and wind. This will help maintain the feeder's durability and attractiveness. Additionally, consider hanging the feeder where it is easily visible to both you and the birds, enhancing the decorative appeal of your garden. And lastly, the good old orange peel bird feeder. You'll need large oranges, birdseed, string, a knife, and a spoon. Start by cutting the orange in half with the knife. Using the spoon, carefully scoop out the flesh from each half, creating 2 hollow orange cups. Be sure to remove all the pulp to prevent the birdseed from becoming sticky or moldy. Next, use the knife to make small holes near the top edges of each orange half. These holes will be used to thread the string through, allowing you to hang the feeders. Cut 2 pieces of string, thread them through the holes, and tie the ends securely. This will create a hanger for each orange half. Now, fill the hollowed out orange halves with birdseed. Ensure the seed is packed slightly to prevent it from spilling out. Hang the orange peel feeders in your garden, choosing locations where birds are likely to visit. For best results, use sturdy string to support the weight of the orange halves and the birdseed. Additionally, check the feeders regularly and refresh the orange halves as needed to keep them fresh and appealing to birds. Creating these bird feeders not only brings joy and creativity into your gardening routine, but also supports local wildlife by providing essential nourishment. Watching birds visit your handmade feeders can be incredibly satisfying and can enhance the overall beauty and vibrancy of your garden. We encourage you to try out these projects and see the wonderful impact they can have on your outdoor space. Share your results with us in the comments and let us know which feeder was your favorite. Love what you see? Join the GardenBound family and let's make your garden dreams come true. Subscribe now.